Tell me your hub bearing went bad without telling me your hub bearing went bad. Oh yeah. She was riding on that for about 40 years. You don't need those. You just grab it by the speed sensor and... Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. That's my girl, come on. Here we go. Yeah! Sprained my wrist. 1986 BMW 325, first start in 2 weeks. Actually 3 weeks. 2.7, straight 6. Cycle the key a couple times. Does have the electro-digital pump. Come on. Alright, I put about a gallon of gas in it. That should be enough to make it chitty chitty bang bang. That or we've somehow lost spark. It's probably going to take a minute to prime up, if we're honest. Starting to slow down. Come on now. Come on now. You can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. That's my girl, come on. There you go. Good girl. Oh, it's on this side. She's an 86 BMW 325, 2.7, straight 6. Apparently you don't have the old PS pump. You don't need those. See if the transmission's any good. Oh yeah, she moves under her own power. You know, this brake rotor, she's got a lot of wear up here where it was riding metal to metal, but it's, you know, it's not too bad. I've seen a lot worse. That 1/4 inch dip there, that's fine. That's just high performance. She's good to go. So here's how you inspect a drum brake. First off, you want to get a vehicle that spent all of its life at the coast. So they just separate like this, then you can get in here and go, yep, she needs drums. Everything. Mr. Jeremy spent 3 years of his life putting a new motor in this Mazda 3.
Construction workers.
Hello.
Good work, people.
Yeah.
We're only taking her to 6,000
You don't
RPM
need
today.
these. Oh, spun tires. What, she got, a 6 or 7 speed?
I think it's a 6.
We'll find out. Go for reverse.
No labels. It's a 7. No. Start going backwards on these guys. Alright, we'll make a full turn around in here and then launch our ass butts back there.
You can cuss on the channel, it's okay.
Where's that guy going? You don't know?
Probably not.
Oh, where are you going?
17. That's where he's going. Nice Ford.
Come on, truck. You forgot how to drive?
Probably.
That's a woman.
Oh, that can't make the video.
Oh.
Woman driver, no survivor. Alright. Gonna get a boosted launch even though there's no turbo.
Boosted launch.
Here we go. Yeah! Get her done, son.
Oops.
Something happened.
Something bad happened.
Just ignore it. Keep going.
Why is it beeping at us? Why is there tranny fluid everywhere?
You don't need seat belts.
Okay. She could take me ragging on it like that.
Yeah, you're
the
good.
next customer's gonna love it. Every gear feels solid. Yeah. It's pristine.
This is, you know, she's good.
No overheating, overjeeting, as
Overjeeting.
Carlos would say. Don't be jeeting it. Don't be overjeeting it.
Dang, Vietnam over here. So we're basically just gonna send full send on this road here. How's it going? Run them over.
Hey, that's my fishing hole.
Well, now take down your fishing pole and meet me at the. There's the shirtless homeless guy, Jay.
Jay, he's cruising on your spot.
40, 50. There's a mile a minute. There's where Meth Lady lives.
She goes.
Like scalded coyote.
Break off all that rust on the rotors.
Yeah, she's been sitting. What, about 3 years?
Yeah, more. Jupiter's 5.
Did you buy this when she was
I was gifted this car when she was a baby.
Okay, 5 years.
Yeah.
So that was what, 2017? No, yeah, 2017.
Yeah.
That's priorities. Got them. All of them. Go ahead and hit the Prius. It's just a Prius. No one cares.
Reverse. Let's see if it works. It works.
Oh, yeah. 87 horsepower. Try to get a thumbnail.